Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up your total station in FieldGenius. So in this case I'm going to be using the total station demo, but the process holds for any setup you want to go through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my survey screen here on the right. That's going to open up my map screen. And in my map screen here, you can see that I've connected up to a total station. Again, like I said, this is the manual demo. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Setup and the Setup option here. And I'm going to be doing a Backsight by point option. So I'm going to be occupying point 1 between these two buildings on the map here. And you can see here, if I hit 1, I get a nice little dot highlighting point 1. I'm going to leave my instrument height as 0 meters and my target height as 0 meters for the point of this video. Obviously, if you were in the field, you'd be setting these correctly. In my Backsight, I'm going to set to point 2 here. You're going to see here, I'm going to check that, and I've got point 2 set. My Backsight direction and distance is set to those values, so that's all good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Measure Angle and Distance, and again, since I'm using just a manual total station demo, I'm just going to leave my angle and vertical angle as is, and my slope distance is 0 meters. I'm going to hit Done. What you're going to see here is I've now got those 2 points associated. I obviously have a bit of an error in my distance and my delta H there, but that's fine. Again, I'm using that manual total station demo, and that is how you shoot your manual Backsight point. And if I hit accept here, you can see I'm on the map screen. I've got my total station icon on the screen. It's shooting that prism. Looks ever so lovely, and I'm now ready to continue surveying. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you do a Backsight by points in Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.